talking about how to become a paid freelance model in 2025. Hello everyone, it's your girl Culture. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you a model or an aspiring model and you've been looking forward to leveling your whole modeling career, or you're an aspiring model, you don't know how to go about this whole modeling thing, you want to do it but you don't know how to start? This channel is the right channel for you. I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to get notified when I'm going to post another amazing video for you. I'm here to help aspirants like me become a better version of themselves as a model and also preparing us adequately for a career in modeling. So let's dive right into it. On today's episode, we'll be talking about how to become a paid freelance model in 2025. Yes, you heard me right. A lot of models have been looking up to this video. They really want to become a freelance model, but they didn't have any guidance whatsoever to start. But this video is the right video for you. Do well to save this video for later. So the first on my list is professionalism. Professionalism is very important. For instance, if a client reaches out to you on any social media platform, be it your Instagram, Facebook, or your email, and you send the message, the first reply you should give to them is, "Hello, so-and-so. Thank you for reaching out to me for this potential opportunity. Would love to discuss this more with you. If you have any question pertaining the message they've sent to you, please do well to ask, because it is very important for better clarification. And you doing something like this will make the client see you in the light of professionalism and see you in the light of, oh, she knows actually what she's doing, stuff like that. So it's very, very important. Professionalism is one thing we should take serious. Second on my list is opening an Instagram account. Yes, it is very, very necessary. I know other social media platforms are very important, but you see, Instagram is the one place that actually sells you out. Like, it gives you an opportunity to be seen by brands, if you know what I mean. And the best way to actually get such visibility is by doing what we call tagging brands, in quote, tag. What that does for you is it gives you visibility. For instance, maybe you post something, maybe a photo or maybe a brand, maybe using their lipstick or maybe their clothes or anything. Tagging them, it gives you visibility. Because one thing I do then is I tag brands in general. Maybe I do any makeup, anything, I just put a general hashtag makeup artists and photographers, stuff like that. Just do in a general stuff. It pushes your content to the right audience, to the right people. So the third on my list is reach out to photographers. You know this saying that if a mountain does not go to Mohammed will go to the mountain. You will go to the photographers. Try to do brand collaborations with them. Be willing to work with them. And one thing with Instagram is, you see, it takes me back to talking about Instagram, is you see a lot of photographers putting up on their page, they're looking for new models to do a shoot with. So you can take this as an opportunity to actually reach out to them, tell them, okay, you're open for shoots, you're open for collaboration and everything. And with that, it will help you to boost your portfolio on Instagram, on your social media space, for people to get to reach out to you. In doing those poses, do not forget to incorporate all those shoots you've been seeing from modeling agencies, magazine, all those things. And let me give you simple tip that actually been working for me. Try the triangle method, which is like triangle, moving your neck side to side, or you're trying the IEE or O method. Yeah, I learned this thing from someone on Instagram, I think, or maybe on YouTube. Particularly I don't know her name. I learned it from her. Like, the IEE method gives you the ability to change your facial expressions, like like it gives you different varieties of face changes. I don't know how to put it. So try to incorporate it and post it on your Instagram. Do it consistently, and you see that the brands will start reaching out to you. So the fourth on my list is networking. If you've been following my page so far, I think you must have noticed that I've talked about networking. One thing networking does for you is it gives you the wide range of meeting different people, like different people from photographers to your photo models to brands to fashion designers, a whole lot of people. Try going for modeling festivals, a lot of things that concerns modeling. It's going to help you to meet people that has your same like mind. It will help you meet people who are willing to collaborate with you, be it maybe photographer, a photo model, makeup artist. You never can tell. So please do not to network. Very, very important. You don't know what networking does. If you know what it does, you really take it very serious. So the last but not the least is persistence. Yes, be very, very persistent. It's short. Be very persistent in this 2025. If you want to grow as a model, please be very persistent. This 2025, take it very serious and you see a lot of changes. Try to update your portfolio, try to try new things, try to consistently post, like try out things. Just be very persistent this 2025 and you see a lot of changes. And if you know you loved this video, do well to like, subscribe and share, and also try to save this video because it's going to help you one way or the other. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.